Hey everyone, Carl's here from A Difficult Truth. So today I want to talk to you guys about the ever growing number of states that are passing these draconian anti-abortion laws. This started with Georgia passing this nonsensical fetal heartbeat bill, where if you detect a fetal heartbeat, then you can't perform the abortion. This happens at 6 weeks. Most women don't recognize or even realize that they're pregnant at that time. So it's really ridiculous. It's effectively designed to outright ban abortion. Alabama has passed a law that is very similar, except they don't even have an exception for rape or incest, which is absolutely ridiculous. Missouri is on that list too. This is about 12 or 13 states now that have passed these ridiculous laws, effectively banning abortion, directly contradicting with set precedent Roe v. Wade. They want this to go to the Supreme Court. They feel like this is the time to challenge Roe versus Wade. They feel like Mr. I Like Beer is going to side with them if one of these things gets to the Supreme Court. They think that he's going to side with them, and it may be true, although he has stated that he respects precedent and that Roe v. Wade has set precedent. I mean, I have I have a very hard time believing someone who is a liar like Brett Kavanaugh. But in any case, the other justices, specifically Chief Justice Roberts, has sided with liberal justices before in terms of these anti-abortion laws, and has respected precedent. Even though he is a conservative, more conservative leaning justice, he at least respects precedent and respects the law. I feel like these, specifically Brett Kavanaugh is more of a activist judge, so I don't know if he's going to actually uphold that. But regardless, these people, these conservatives, these religious right, want Roe v. Wade challenged, and they're passing these extreme and harsh laws so that it does end up in the Supreme Court. At first, they claimed it was to protect women and to protect the right of the innocent children, which aren't even born yet. And one of their arguments is that you're killing a potential person, so it's not a person, but it is, but it isn't. So these people contradict themselves all the time. They state that they're pro-life, but leave out of the entire equation the one person that's actually living, the woman. Pro-life, yet they want to force a woman to take this pregnancy to term, even if it potentially might kill her or cause permanent bodily harm. These people aren't pro-life at all, and they're not. They're not for women's rights. They just want to control women's bodies and basically impose their own Christian Sharia law on women, and it's really, really disturbing because, I mean, to not even add a amendment for rape and incest is just absolutely disgusting. These 25 people in Alabama, 25 men to be exact, that voted for this is just absolutely disgusting. And in Missouri, they tried to add an amendment giving parents time off and more assistance, to help with this newborn child. That was also struck down. So it's not about the kids, and it's not about the women. It's just about imposing your religious beliefs on the rest of us. And it is truly disturbing because that goes against everything this country was founded on. Religious freedom, or I want to practice any religion or no religion. I don't want laws or legislation impeding that. It's also about controlling people's bodies. I don't want a law controlling my body, and I wouldn't want a law controlling a woman's body. It just, if you're really against small government, then what is this? I mean, so you're against small government except when it comes to women, I guess. I don't know, because you want government to be as little involved as possible, yet all these conservatives are supportive of this highly intrusive laws. So it's extremely hypocritical. But I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think about these abortion laws. Will they stand? Will the Supreme Court strike this down? Will we even get to the Supreme Court? I want to hear from you guys. Leave a comment on the comment section below. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and ring the little bell so that you get notifications when our videos go live for you. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/adifficulttruth. You can also like us on Facebook at facebook.com/adifficulttruthofficial. And you can also listen to our podcast at soundcloud.com/adifficulttruth. I'll leave all the links in the description below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya!